are these?
This come from that.
What? Can you guess what these are? I'm gonna guess this is a bad IPA and that's water.
No, this one is Yoko, used cooking oil, and this one is our product.
Used cooking oil. I didn't expect to find used cooking oil at the clean energy section of the CISCE. And this is...
We call it HVO, hydrotreated vegetable oil, mixed with diesel. It can be used by cars, ships, and planes.
So how's it being used in China right now?
The first test point is in Haidian district. We want to make a whole chain of this biodiesel from collecting the used cooking oil, per treatment, produce and reuse.
So next time I eat out, it won't just be to fill my belly. It'll be to help supply raw materials for HVO. Is there any cleaner energy? Hydrogen. 这是什么庞然大物？
这是我们中石化自主研制的大排量封装加注双压液气式氢气压缩机，这是目前国内单机排量最大的液气式氢气压缩机。它将应用在中石化沧州分公司氢能加工中心项目，为100多辆氢能中卡提供高性价比的氢气燃料，1年可减少5000多吨的二氧化碳排放，相当于种了500公顷森林，大约是700个足球场那么大。
700个足球场，那么厉害？
是的。 我们中石化正在逐步建设涵盖制储、运加、用盐的氢能全产业链条，目前已建成了11座氢燃料电池供气中心、138座加氢站，成为全球最大的加氢站运营单一企业。同时，我们成立氢能装备公司，以氢能产业高质量发展助力实现双碳目标。
那给你们点赞。 At this year's Expo, over 50 companies from around the world are showing off their clean energy innovations. They're covering everything from wind and solar to hydropower, thermal energy, energy storage, and hydrogen. You can see a complete supply chain. I've got to say, these new technologies and products are absolutely mind-blowing. What's an oil company doing in the clean energy section? Let's find out. Hi, what is this big tank?
This store LNG, that's liquefied natural gas.
Okay, how big is it?
Each one is as tall as a 21-story building and holds enough gas to fill 614 Olympic swimming pools. Here is the model of one.
That's enormous. It's bigger than my appetite. So how does it help the environment?
Natural gas is much cleaner than coal for making electricity. It creates less than half pollution. Plus, there is a cool bonus. The gas was kept super cold at the minus 162 degrees.
Minus 160 degrees.
Ooh. That extreme cold actually is very useful. We use it for fish farms, cold storage warehouses, and even indoor snow parks. When the liquid gas warms up, it naturally creates cooling power. Instead of using electricity for cooling, which makes pollution, we use this natural cold. It's like getting free air conditioning.
Yeah. You know, traditional energy still plays a huge role today, and using it more efficiently can help create a cleaner world. There are not only Chinese companies here, also foreign companies. Here we can see the story of them and Chinese companies' cooperation in the supply chain. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the star of this platform. It is a discombobulator, and I have no idea what I'm talking about. We need to ask an expert. 您能告诉我这是什么？
是我们首台 F 级50兆瓦重型燃气轮机。
比如说我们的化工流程工艺，分布式能源领域，还有我们的海上平台发电，海上 LNG 发电船都能够得到广泛应用。
它能发多少度电
？1小时能够发5万度电，能够满足7000户家庭1天的使用量。1年可以减少二氧化碳排放50万吨，相当于450万棵成材树1年可以吸收的二氧化碳总量。
450万克，你们一家能做得到吗？
这个燃机的零部件有2万多个零部件，联合了一些高校和科研机构，整合了产业链上下游300多家企业，其中有39家是专精特新的一流的企业，大家共同努力，一起合作的成果。
Wow, one turbine and entire supply chain, all made in China. Here you can see the upstream, midstream, and downstream companies. On this open platform, the global supply chain becomes much smoother. It's really an eye-opening day today. It's amazing how all these different energy sources are working together to make our world cleaner. Want to see what other surprises the Expo has in store? Join me tomorrow.